What's up, YouTube? It's Nikki, and I'm back with a mukbang. I got Roy Rogers in the house. You ever had it? Everyone says it's gross, but I like it. I got a 4-piece. I ordered 3. They gave me an extra one. But some mashed potatoes, some coleslaw. I got a biscuit in my box, but I don't like biscuits, so I'm not gonna eat it. Let's start off with some chicken. I got my favorite hot sauce. I have sriracha. And they have Texas Pete, which is another favorite of mine. I enjoy Texas Pete, so you don't like it, I'm sorry. Got a bunch of hot sauce and honey. All I say is hot sauce and honey. Got some honey mustard. I don't really like honey mustard. I asked for it, but I don't really like it. I do have their barbecue sauce, but I tried it and I did not prefer it. So, I ain't eating it. Alright, so, I've had a long morning. I've been up since 5 o'clock this morning. If anyone does not know me, I am from New Jersey. I don't see a lot of mukbangers in New Jersey. So, cheers to the Roy Rogers I have right by my house. If you have never had Roy Rogers, you have to try it. It's like a knockoff Popeyes. I don't care. The Popeyes by me is in another town, so I don't like driving there to go get it. I have a spicy chicken sandwich too. Look at that. It's so good. And I have a Sprite to drink. I don't like soda, but the only soda I do drink is Sprite. Got Texas Pete hot sauce. The honey on deck for the chicken. I love honey on my chicken. Got some sriracha. You guys, I am new at this. Please don't come at me with all your harsh comments. If you don't like the stuff I post, you don't have to watch it. You really don't. I'm honestly just here for fun. I watch a lot of mukbangs on YouTube. I watch B Loves Life, Casey Connections, Naveen and Sheena, Eat with Kim, Eat with Q. I love all of you guys. I'm not here for drama. If you have something mean to say, just don't say it. Because nobody likes rude comments, honestly. I don't know why everybody thinks they have to be better than somebody else or bring somebody else down. We're all here to do the same thing. Honestly, the same thing, all of us. I'm trying this out because I love food, okay? I seriously love food. We eat every day. It's going to be hard to start a YouTube channel if you have never done it before. But you know what? I'm one of those people who, if you set your mind to something, you can do whatever you want to. Please don't mind my nasty background. I have a lot of construction going on in my house. I live in a 3-story Victorian house. My boyfriend is currently demoing every floor, excuse me. I do have one daughter. Her name is Riley. She's 6. She turned 6 in December. My boyfriend has 2 boys. One of them lives with us. The other one lives with his mother. No, I don't work. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I've been a stay-at-home mom since I had my daughter. I think I had one full-time job, which was like a stay-at-home nursing assistant. I would take care of older people with disabilities, stay at the house they lived in with them overnight, and take care of them, make sure they got to bed and got through the night, you know. Excuse me. So I'm not just gonna be doing mukbangs, I'm gonna be doing makeup. As well. You guys tell me what you want to see. I'm new at this. I need some positive people in my life. Fat piece. Sorry. Long story short, I was in a 6-year relationship with my ex. Not the guy I'm living with now. 6 years go by. About 3 years into it, we had a daughter together. We have a daughter, Riley. About a year into the relationship, we had a baby. I was living in Pennsylvania at the time with an uncle, and I found him on Facebook, and he started messaging me and said, "Hey, come back to New Jersey. We can be together." So I moved back. We hung out and we ended up dating, and we stayed together for 6 years. Now, don't get me wrong, the whole 6 years was not shit. Excuse my French. We just kind of grew apart from each other, I guess. And it's a very sensitive subject because he was very abusive towards me. Very abusive. He would throw things at me. He would kick me. He would trip me on purpose. And I'm coming out and saying this because a lot of women who are abused don't come out and say anything. And I didn't say anything for years. Years, I didn't say anything. You know why? Because I loved him and we were together. We had a baby. I didn't want to split our family apart. Because I lost my mom and dad. I mean, my mom is still alive. My real dad is still alive, but my stepdad passed 5 years ago yesterday. And I didn't want my daughter to go through life without her parents together because I saw how much it affected me as a kid and moving so much and going to home and from school to school. I just tried to make it work. And I tried to make it work for all the wrong reasons. You know, I thought he would change, but he didn't. And he still hasn't. And I have been separated from him for 2 years. This April would be 2 years we've been separated. Thank God. Everything happens for a reason. There's a reason that I left him. There's just a reason everything happens. I do believe that, honestly. 110%. I don't care what anyone else believes. I do. If you don't, I'm sorry. Everyone is different. Everyone has their own opinions. You know, whether it's clothes, shoes, boys. Okay, I'm gonna tell you this now. I am one of those people who I change my topics a lot. So if you don't like that, I'm sorry, you're not gonna like these videos. If I'm telling a story and I say something and I say something else about another thing, that's just who I am. Okay. Don't come at me saying, oh, she's talking about this and this and this and this. I'm just talking. I'm conversating. I'm eating for you guys. I don't know who's gonna watch or how far this channel is even gonna go, but you know what? I'm trying it out. If it doesn't work, oh well. If it does, amen. I have a lot of inspiration on YouTube right now. A lot. So, back to Roy Rogers. Who else has had Roy Rogers? Because I get told all the time it's nasty, it's not worth it.